Hi everyone, in this video I'm gonna give you my experience through Dentitox Pro. If this product worth your money, my experience, you will know whether you should spend money on Dentitox Pro or not. I just ask you to stay till the end of the video because the information that I will share with you here gonna help you on this decision, okay? First, I linked the official website where I bought my Dentitox Pro in the description below of this video and on the comments because of these scammers. People are get into a scam with fake websites, and to help you I linked the official website. Just straightforward here, as I am a broken person, I don't have money, I don't have conditions to go on a dentist. I was facing problems with my oral health. I had bad breath, I had dirty teeth, you know, some problem on my gums. I don't know exactly why this was happening in my mouth. I take a long period of time to make some action, to take some move to fix this. And I start to search something natural, something with no side effects to help my oral health and finally get rid of all these problems. And I found Dentitox Pro. I saw the guarantees. It's a pretty important thing. They give us 60-day money back. I saw the all natural ingredients, no side effects. Any person could use every day Dentitox Pro. And I bought a 6-month treatment. And using Dentitox Pro every single day, I didn't see results in the first month of using, 4 weeks of using, 1 month. And I soon think, well, I spend money in a product to help me, but it doesn't work. It's not working. What is going on? This was what I think. But I continued the treatment, and in the second month forward, I start to see results, tiny results. My bad breath decreased a little bit. My teeth give a little white, you know, just a tiny white, and also my gums. Today I am on the 5th month of using. In the 5th month, I don't have bad breath anymore. My teeth that was pretty ugly today are white, as you can see. Unfortunately, I didn't take pictures. I totally forgot this, but my teeth are pretty good now. My gums are stronger, healthier, and I definitely recommend you buy Dentitox Pro if you have these problems and don't have conditions to go on a dentist. But be aware that the product takes time to act, and you should buy at least 3 bottles from Dentitox Pro, because less than this you will not see so much results and think the product doesn't work. This is not true. Dentitox Pro just takes time to act on your mouth and give you the solution for your dental problems, okay? Official website linked in the description below of this video and on the comments. Hope you like this video. If you do, hit the like button, and that's it. Thanks for watching.